Do you want to know how I got rid of this mess in my trunk? Stay tuned and watch this reel. First, we need some tools to remove the bolts and eyelets of the lashing points in the cargo area, specifically a Torx D45 with ratchet and extension if necessary. Next, take the Bison Gear Basket for the Grenadier. 100% fit to the contour is outstanding. Use the supplied screws and spacers to attach the Bison Gear Baskets. Now you need a 5mm Allen key to tighten the screws. Outstanding accuracy of fit, stability, and the perfect use of a contour for a useful storage option in the cargo area. Take advantage of the various possibilities with the baskets, such as attaching mount-compatible pouches, using the existing holes in the baskets for permanent fastening with a screw and nut, or simply as a storage option. And here's the result. You can see at first glance how organized the trunk now looks and what advantages the baskets from Bison Gear offer for the Grenadier. Happy exploring!